Hello Kambal! Welcome back to our channel. It's me, Ayla, and we're back for another video. So for today's vlog, I will going to teach you how to download the Happy Mod, which is similar to the Play Store, but Happy Mod already has cheat games. Let's start. So first, go anywhere that you can search for Happy Mod. Happy Mod. Okay, like this. Then just enter that Happy Mode. Then you can just download the app here. Okay, since I already got Happy Mode, I will just go to the app. And then search the game that I want. Example, My Talking Angela. Angela 2. Since there are kids commenting that it doesn't work for them, then enter this game, My Talking Angela 2. Then as you can see here, there are two modes here, the recommended mod and the latest version mod. So guys, don't go in this original section. Do not go in this original section, only here in mods. So then go in this recommended mod here, then install. You can click the install. I installed this here recommended mods because I read first the comments from other players who downloaded this game. So here Ciza Godoy says that funciona a la perfección, which means I think it works perfectly. Let's see, what does it mean? Oh yeah, it works perfectly for her, so it works perfectly for me too. And I really click the pictures, which is this. Just like mine, it also has 1.3 MDR, but in my game it has 1.3 G, but it's still the same. And other players also commented that like this, it's good, I love it, I really love it, I give this 5, it's nice, I really love it, so cool, I have fun. And also this one, she also has 1.9 BI, so that's why I downloaded this mod instead of the other mod, because when you read its comments, you can see that they are telling that it's not working, and like this, and like this one, Franzil Atacador, it didn't work. I downloaded it and it did nothing. So let's see, what's this? But some players downloaded it successfully. I think it also depends on the phone that you are using. If it is iOS, there's a possibility that it won't work. But in Android, there's a big possibility that it will work, because I also read some comments that some used an iOS but it didn't work. But when she used an Android phone, it worked. So if you're using Android phone like me, download this recommended mod so that you will play successfully with My Talking Angela. Oh wait, I am going to show you my talking Angela. By the way guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. So this is my talking Angela. As you can see. Oh. So let's buy some foods for her. Like this, as you can see, lemons and cheese. Let's buy so many cheese for her. Oh, it's still unlocked. So I still need to play and travel more so that these items will unlock. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this tutorial. So don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell so that you'll get some updates when we upload some other video just like this. So thank you guys. Bye.